also use, when you have done, enter with string number 4 like this. Are we together? And then the steps zinajirudia rudia, so you do. So you need to be quick when you're coming back. You need to be quick. Timing yako ikuwe mzuri. That is what you have, okay? So this is what we have now. This is what we have now. Now when you're starting it afresh, I want you to play string 3. It's just the same shape, okay? I've not changed anything. Just play string 3 and string 1, and then enter. Okay, I hope you have understood that little lesson that I've given you. So you can always try to come up with new things from these shapes. At least now, if you have noticed, you've learned some new patterns, some new shapes, okay, and some new styles. So you can use those ones to create your own stuffs. It's just a guide, okay? Okay, you can just use it like that to create your own stuff. Hiyo part tu peke yake iko very powerful. Okay, in English I'm saying that part only is very powerful. Okay, so guys, see you next time. Take care. Bye bye. Good luck.